Hey Oscar, I just wanted to get this quick video over to you. So in talking to you this morning, you said you were definitely interested in looking into the commercial side of the business and really trying to build that up and what you guys could get from that. So looking at some keywords, I was able to do some research on this for you. And I found some good ones. I mean, obviously the search term or search volumes aren't as great as you have with just like a general roofing or residential roofing. But you're also looking at a lot bigger jobs. So, with that search volume being lower, it'll even itself out. So looking at some of these, for these 7 keywords I found, you're about 340 searches a month. And this is going to still go off of, those same principles that I talked about in my previous video, as far as you're going to be getting about 33% of that search traffic being in the top spot for these. So for commercial roofing El Paso, this is the biggest one. Looking at kind of the breakdown of everything. So that 140 searches per month is averaged out over 12 months. Looks like it kind of peaks in March, where the average is about 210. So there's definitely some search volume there. If you are really wanting to try to get into this and hit the commercial side of it stronger, I would recommend, kind of getting started on a project like this relatively soon, just because it does take some time to get a website built and ranked. So to really, kind of be in that top spot to where you're going to be capturing some of that search volume come March, you would definitely want to move on that pretty quickly. Looking at competition-wise for this, the top ranked for commercial roofing El Paso is Commercial Roofing Systems. Looking at their website, they don't have anything for content. I mean, this is easy money to pass these guys up when it comes to content. Looking at kind of the back end of their site, again, the metrics just aren't great. You'd have no problem passing these guys up with the metrics. And I think you could really, I'm not going to say you're going to get a lot of traffic coming to it just because the search volumes are lower. But again, with the high ticket amount you get from some of these big commercial jobs, I think you guys would do pretty well with it. And looking at the next one ranked after that, you have Talent Roofing. Again, just not a lot of content. And if you look at the metrics on this, so this is actually just metrics that are pulling over from their main page. So this is a sub page for commercial roofing that they have ranked in this. You can see that it's just a sub page. So there's no backlinks even going to this page. This is just the competition's so low in this niche and for this area that you could definitely get something in here and get it ranked relatively quickly. So if you want more information on this, definitely let me know. But I was definitely excited in what I found and wanted to get this over to you as soon as possible instead of waiting until tomorrow. Hope you enjoy this, and I'll talk to you later.